Welcome to the Lifetime Box Creating and Adding a Web Page tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to show the user how easy it is to create search engine ready web pages and add it to your top menu. What we're going to do is add another page between About Me and My Blog Stories buttons. To start, we're going to first navigate to your backend administration. To begin creating a new page, please click on the Web Pages icon in your top navigation menu. When you open Web Pages Administration, you will see some pages already there provided for your convenience as a demo. So don't forget to update them or delete them, all depending on your need. What we will do first is click on Add New Web Page at the top right-hand corner of the page. We will explain each part and what it does on the actual website. First is web page title. We will name it My Page for this demo purpose. It is very important to name it correctly because much depends inside your site on how you name your pages. For example, URLs, meta tags, and main category pages will all have the same effect from title page. Next, you can set your title to show as the title inside the body area of the page. Generally, you can leave it and set it to yes. URL extension creates your name after the .com in your URL. So let's say your website name is demo.lifetimebox.com and your extension is My Demo Page. Your full URL will be demo.lifetimebox.com/my-demo-page. So let's put here My Demo Page. Parent page is if you want the page you are creating to be a subset of a page or main one. If it is a subset, it will place a URL extension of the main page before your page. Let's leave it now as main category only. Next, you can choose to make page live and active, or you can choose not to. Make it active in this case. This next section is about attaching existing contact form. Lifetime Box contains pre-made contact form that you can add to any page if you don't want to mess creating forms or you just don't have any access level to create any forms. Let's make it active so you can see it on front page. Next is attaching custom forms. This only depends if you have Lifetime Box subscription access to actually create forms. If you have created any forms in your forms section, those forms will appear here. In this case, we have pre-created one sample just to show you how if you're trying to collect information or run some sweepstakes on your site. In the text editor, insert your content. It works just like any other standard word processing document, with the exception of being able to add YouTube videos, PayPal processing, and Flash files on the fly. So let's place here some demo words like, "This is my new page." After this section, you can also select if you want to allow comments on this page. Allowing this will let users comment on your subject. You can set your preferences in comment section configuration after you set your website. You can find that section under settings. Next thing is access level of your website webpage. You can make it public, which means all the public can see this page. You can make it registered only, which means only registered users can see the page. And at the end, you can make it under membership and charge for accessing this page, or put it under trial. Membership option also depends on the level of subscription you have with Lifetime Box. For SEO keywords and SEO page description, follow these simple rules. Use only 2 or 3 keywords per each page and only up to 170 characters in your SEO descriptions for best results in search engines. Be as deep and precise in your keywords as possible. For keywords in this situation, we can add Lifetime Box demo page and demo site. For description, we can use something like this: my first demo page on Lifetime Box demo site from video tutorial. At the bottom of the page, you will see social media icons to add. Add icons that fit your page. You can use all or some to be more specific. Let's use only Facebook and Twitter this time. Scroll up the top Now let's evaluate the right hand side of the page where it says Content Modules. This is where you will see all special add-ons that require web page involvement to be approved. So if you have created your location map in add-ons, you can just click here yes to add it, or if you have created a gallery, you can easily add it here. Just select your gallery from the bottom. If you install any additional premium add-ons from add-ons page, you will most likely see it here if you can't find it in the add-on section. And now that you have your website ready, please scroll down and click on Add New Web Page. Once you're done with that, you will see your page listed at the backend and active. However, there's one more important thing to do, and it is to add it to your main menu to be shown on the front page. So navigate to your menu button at the top navigation menu. When you get there, look at the right side of the page and start by creating a menu button called My Page. Put it in the top category and select Content Linked as the destination. Select Page My Page as a destination. Make link active and not a home page. Click Add Menu Button. Once the menu button is added, drag it to desired location on the menu. In our case, it will be between About Me and My Blog. If you need more explanation on each part in the menu section, just go to Menu Tutorial. It will explain it in much more detail. Now that we're done, go to your website and check if the button is there. Oh, here it is. Click on it to see the actual page destination. As you can see, we have displayed title and demo text. After, you can see default contact for and customer forms, as well as allowed comment section. Notice how the web page is now only one column. You can go to Layout Manager and add specific columns and add-ons to rearrange your website or web page to 1, 2, or 3 column page. And this is the end of how to create and add a web page tutorial. We hope our guidance was clear, and if you have any additional questions, please contact us through our help desk located under Help Extras in the top navigation menu.